हम लोगों को बहुत ही खुशी होनी चाहिए कि अब इस पृथ्वी पर सर्वोच्च शिक्षा जो लहरी महाशय के माध्यम से अवतरित हुई थी उसका विस्तार हो रहा है। We should feel great joy in understanding this, that the perfect education which incarnated through the Lahiri Mahasaya on this earth is now spreading scientifically. Spreading Kriya Yoga means spreading the vibration of truth and non-violence. That is, you can explain this, that is spreading science of devotion in God, science of searching truth, science of experiencing about self, all are having the same meaning. Because now all nations of the world, they want great unity. They do not want separation. You see, there was a time each nation was in different place, nobody was knowing anything. Columbus wanted to get some spices from India. He was searching India for spices, not for spirituality. Then he was lost, he couldn't get. Then Vasco da Gama came and he searched. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए कि एक समय था कौन देश कहाँ है कुछ पता नहीं था। यहाँ वास्को डी गामा कोलंबस खोजना शुरू किए। उनको पता चला कि भारत में मसाले बहुत सुगंधित हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं, खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट बनता है उससे। तो मसाले की खोज में भारत को खोजने के लिए निकले, लेकिन फंस गए इधर उधर, भारत मिला नहीं। फिर वास्को डी गामा ने खोज निकाला। ऐसे सोचिए, प्राचीन समय में कौन देश कहाँ है किसी को पता नहीं। एक ही देश में कौन कहाँ है ये भी पता नहीं। जब डार्क फेज आया तो हर आदमी जैसे अज्ञात सा हो गया, रहते हुए भी अज्ञात है, पता नहीं है। When dark phase came, Kali Yuga came, then people become unaware of each other. Each and every nation was having its own identity and not knowing other nation. Then, when 1599, dark phase passed away, then liberation, freedom and democratic freedom started in America. America became free. British left America. That is the first nation who got freedom. Slowly, many things started happening, how to know each other. Then each nation was having some principle that I want each nation should be in each nation. Then embassies, like in India we'll find all nations are representing something that is called embassies. Ambassadors represents a nation. Ambassador of USA is representing USA in India. Now USA is in India, Canada and all nations, they are having their some portion in India. Exactly in the same way, India is also having its some portion in all nations of the world. This is the symptom of unity. But this is very little unity. We want bigger unity. जब कलिकाल 1599 में समाप्त हुआ, अमेरिका में स्वतंत्रता का बिगुल बजा, अमेरिका आज़ाद हुआ। धीरे धीरे आज़ादी की लहर बढ़ी। अब तो सभी देश आज़ाद हैं। फिर ये हुआ कि कैसे सब निकट आए, तो प्रत्येक देश में प्रत्येक देश का कुछ अंश रहे, इसलिए दूतावास की परिकल्पना हुई। भारत में सभी राष्ट्रों का दूतावास है। जैसे अमेरिका दिल्ली में है, जो एम्बेसीज हैं उसको मान लीजिए कि अमेरिका है। जितने भी राष्ट्र हैं दुनिया में सब भारत में है, एक छोटे छोटे रूप में, जिसको राजदूत का ऑफिस कहते हैं। और वहाँ के जो राजदूत हैं उस देश को प्रेजेंट करते हैं। एक एकता का लक्षण है, एक कलिकाल में नहीं था। This is called very important things to realize, that in dark phase there was no unity. When ascending Dwapar came, we start understanding unity, therefore we have embassies. But this is not complete, we want more. How to bring a stronger unity? Then we need the best teaching, which removes all differences. I am different, you are different. I am white color, you are brown color. Your body color is like African, I am like American, I am like Indian. This is called differentiation on the basis of his skin color. But it is not much deep. We accepted Obama. But try to understand this is surface unity is not sufficient. We want to unite perfectly. Then we have to remove the concept of nationality. That nationality, I am Indian, I am American, I am Canadian. This is called separation thought. Slowly, slowly, we must have this thought. Whole universe is one home. If it is too hard, then we can say the world is one home. This earth is one home. All nations belong to one home. Each nation is like an apartment. You can see so many apartments we have in a home. I have a big home with so many apartments. But all apartments, they practice the principle of truth and non-violence. Then we will find big immunity inside. We don't have danger of cancer. We will not have danger of diabetes, hypertension, osteoporosis, also called deadly sickness, will not exist. Because we develop internal immunity. Internal immunity is developed when we have thought of unity. Let we should celebrate within our own self, whole world is one home. Each and every nation is like an apartment. My home is so big, we have so many apartments. But the persons who are living in different apartments, they practice the same principle philosophy. Eko aham bhavishyam. Omnipresent spirit has become all. The moment you practice this, you will find you have great immunity. Do not have fear of diabetes, blood pressure, cancer, osteoporosis, or any disorder of the body organs. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए कि अगर हम शाश्वत एकता की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, हम और अधिक एकता स्थापित करना चाहते हैं। चलो ये मानने के लिए बहुत समझ में नहीं आता, पूरा ब्रह्मांड एक घर मान ले, तो कम से कम यही मान लिया जाए कि पृथ्वी एक घर है, एक एक राष्ट्र, इसके एक एक अपार्टमेंट हैं। अपार्टमेंट कहते हैं जैसे आप मल्टी स्टोरेज बिल्डिंग होती है कई तल्ला की, एक तल्ले में 3-4 कमरे हैं, एक परिवार है, दूसरे तल्ले में दूसरा परिवार है। ऐसे एक एक राष्ट्र एक एक अपार्टमेंट की तरह है और पूरा ये विश्व एक घर है। ये हम लोग का सिद्धांत है रहने का। एको हम बहुश्याम, एक ही परब्रह्म सब रूपों में है। हमारी ये एकता है। इस एकता से क्या हमें मिलेगा? कैंसर नहीं होगा, डायबिटीज़ नहीं होगी, हार्ट अटैक नहीं होगा, हाइपरटेंशन नहीं होगा, ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस नहीं होगी, हम अंधे नहीं होंगे, बहरे नहीं होंगे। और इसी के साथ साथ किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं होगी। जिन चीज़ों की आवश्यकताएं हैं आसानी से उपलब्ध होंगी। Okay, all right, let us, we have decided that we are going to celebrate this philosophy and principle, the world is one home. And different nations are like apartments. All persons living in different apartments, they practice this principle, Eko Aham Bhavishyam. One omnipresent God has become all. When you celebrate this really, internally, with all devotion, then what you realize? Then you will realize now you are free from all kind of sickness, which is very dangerous sickness, like cancer, like hypertension, like blood pressure, diabetes, osteoporosis, blindness, deafness. We will not have it. Then this is very nice. Not only this, externally what we need, fooding, lodging, any other tools, we will get it. Then let us celebrate it. Okay, all right, we are celebrating, but others are not celebrating. Forget others. Sun is shining. Sun doesn't have complaint that moon is not shining. Earth is not shining. I am shining from many thousand years. But if they don't have courtesy call, moon also should shine, earth should also shine. Sun does not have this thought. In the same way, we should not have this thought. Okay, all right, I am practicing this, but my friend is not practicing. Parents are not practicing. My wife is not practicing. Husband is not practicing. Children are not practicing. Okay, all right, my whole family is practicing, but neighbor is not practicing. Oh, this colony is practicing, but that colony is not practicing. We should not have this thought. Get lesson from the sun. Sun is shining. Sun has no complaint that I am shining so hard. Moon is not shining. What is the moonlight? It is not the light of moon. It is the sunlight, which is translated as moonlight. Sun does not have any complaint that earth is not shining, now I will not shine. Moon is not shining, I will not shine. Please live this principle philosophy. Let us follow ourselves. I should follow, you should follow. Have no expectation that others should follow. And believe, if you will follow, all will reflect your knowledge as moonlight. That is also good. Moonlight is safe. If a darkness in the night, moonlight is there, it is the full moon, that is the safe journey. You will see many things in the moonlight. Do not have expectation of getting sunlight from each creation. Do not have expectation that all persons will be prophet in this era. This is ascending Dwapar. Majority will work like moonlight, but someone should work like sunlight. But we do not want to become sick. We do not want cancer. We do not want hypertension. We do not want diabetes, osteoporosis, blindness, deafness. We do not want it. Then the practice this principle philosophy. Do not think that, okay, all right, doctors will look after. In this Allahabad, in this Jhosi area, one of the richest person, I warned him, try to stop dairy, cheese, butter, non-veg. Did not stop, and he died at the age of around 60. Renal failure. Because that person did not accept, because having jealous with so many. Most of the persons have jealous with me also, that how I am peaceful and joyful, I am not crying any day. When people cry, oh, he doesn't cry, he's very bad, he should also cry. I will make him to cry. This is the way. When Jesus so much doing, everybody was having jealous. Everybody was having jealous with the Yogananda also, Yukteswar also. And Yukteswar was called a very knowledgeable person. Then my states do visit to prove that they are more educated than Yukteswar. but at the last they were surrendering Iktisagiri. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए कि जब आप बहुत अच्छा काम करेंगे तो समाज में जलस होगी, उसको रोक नहीं पाएंगे। इक्तिसगिरी से लोग जलस करते थे, जो इस एकेडमिक्स में टॉप करके आते थे, जो बड़े बड़े पोजीशन पर थे, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स वगैरह, कहते थे कि ये कौन सा ज्ञान रखते हैं। लेकिन जब पास में जाते थे तो उनको समझ में आता था इक्तिसगिरी परम ज्ञानी है। तो याद रखिए, इन सब चीज़ों के हम घबराएं ना। अगर पूरी दुनिया आपका अपोज करे तब भी इस सिद्धांत को पकड़े रहिए। तो जो अपोजिशन से जो डेंजर होता है वो डेंजर नहीं होगा, ये रक्षा कवच के रूप में आपके चारों तरफ आध्यात्मिक शक्ति को बना के रखेगा। If the whole world is opposing, not only family members, but all persons start opposing you. When you hold this thought, world is one home, all nations are like apartment, all persons who are living in different nations, different apartments, they are manifestation of God. If you celebrate this philosophy, then all opposition, whatever you have, it will have no effect on you. Your existence will be surrounded by great protecting power of God. Nothing will penetrate inside. You see how much safety we have. We do not need license, rifle, no gun, no revolver, nothing. Because we have biggest protecting tool. When you celebrate whole world is one home, and all persons in this world, they are various manifestation of God. It is God who is manifesting all. Moment you accept it and live this spiritual philosophy, you do not need any gun for protection, any rifle for protection, any revolver or anything. You do not need prophylactic, any medicine. Do not have danger of that you are going to suffer from hepatitis or any other sickness, which is a spreading sickness, like HIV, etc. Have no fear. You will be full protected all the time. And what is the safest thing and easiest and the best? We need no money. We do not need any money to spend for this. Just practice this principle. Whole world is one home. All nations, they belong to like apartments. All people living in the various nations, they are manifestation of God. Okay, I live it, but still I have hypertension. No, you are thinking you are living, but you are not living it. Until you live this principle philosophy with your own head to toes, you should not say that I am living it. God has become all, then God has become breath also. God has become head, face, neck, arms, back, chest, abdomen, both legs, and changes within. If I am not practicing this complete devotion in God, have deepest attention to feel head to toes, all changes within, as manifestation of God, then remember, if we are not practicing it, then you cannot practice with others. Therefore, try to select your own existence, our own head to toes, feel it more and more, accept it is presence of God. When it is presence of God, then there is no illness, sickness, there is no tension, worries, there is no pain, pleasure, nothing is there. Just practice it sincerely with all devotion. This is the important point. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए, अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए कि जब हम इस सिद्धांत को जिएंगे कि पूरा ये पृथ्वी एक घर है, सारे देश एक एक राष्ट्र इस घर के एक एक अपार्टमेंट की तरह है, इसमें जितने लोग रह रहे हैं सब परमात्मा के भिन्न भिन्न स्वरूप हैं। जब कहते कि नहीं नहीं हम तो जीते हैं इस फिलॉसफी को, लेकिन तब भी हमें ब्लड प्रेशर है, डायबिटीज़ है, गठिया है, नहीं तो आप आइए खोज करिए। हम केवल कहते हैं, सुनते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, इस सिद्धांत को अपना नहीं रहे हैं, तो कैसे अपनाएंगे हम? सिर से लेकर के पैर की अंगुली तक इस पूरे अस्तित्व में एकाग्रता बढ़ाएं हम। जो अपना स्थित है, सिर, चेहरा, गला, हाथ, पीठ, सीना, पेट, दोनों पैर, इसमें एकाग्रता बढ़ाते हुए इसको स्वीकार करिए कि ये अनुभूति परमात्मा अनुभूति है। इस अनुभूति को अगर आपने सुख दुख कह दिया तो परमात्मा की निंदा किया। हल्कापन भारीपन अगर कहा और हल्कापन भारीपन दोनों को समान प्रेम नहीं किया तो परमात्मा की निंदा किया। तो सिर से पैर की उंगली तक जितने प्रकार की अनुभूतियां हैं, हम इसमें एकाग्रता बढ़ा करके इन अनुभूतियों को अगर परम आनंद के रूप में अनुभव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तभी हमारा प्रयोग जारी है, अभी हमने स्वीकार नहीं किया है। जिस दिन स्वीकार कर लेंगे, एको हम बहुत श्याम का सूत्र सही है, पैर की उंगली से सिर तक ये अनुभूति परब्रह्म का साकार रूप है। इसके अंदर जो कुछ अनुभव होता है वो परम आनंद के रूप में जब अनुभव होने लगेगा, तब हमने स्वीकार कर लिया है। फिर हम पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित हैं। अभी तो सुरक्षित होने के लिए हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, अभ्यास कर रहे हैं। You will be very well protected when you must experience, when you must realize that we have deep devotion on head to toes. We are experiencing it more and more. And whatever you feel, now we realize it is ever new joy. There is no pain, no pleasure, no comfort, no discomfort. There is no heaviness, no lightness. What you feel each and every moment, ever new joy. But I am trying my level best, but I am not able to feel it. Just banat ban jai. Keep on practicing, one day you will get it. अगर हम अभ्यास कर रहे हैं लेकिन श्वास की अनुभूति सिर से पैर की उंगली तक, इसकी अनुभूति हमें परम आनंद के रूप में नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो करें क्या हम? चिंता न करिए। याद रखिए लाहिड़ी महाशय का वचन कि बनत बनत बन जाई।